Hello, welcome to Phil's Workshop. Okay, people, right. Sorry, I've not been on for quite a while. I've put nothing up for a while except the last bit was over there, the new router there. I don't know. A lot of people, a lot of you know that's been watching my channel that my good lady at the moment is going through T4 cancer. So I've been spending as much time as possible with the good lady. You'll appreciate that she's far more important than this YouTube channel. But when I've managed to have a few moments, I have been making some things. Just recently I put up the fact that I was on about changing one of the covers I've got. Now I'm working off my iPad, so please bear with me on this. Now there you go. You see that red boxes up there? I was thinking of increasing them, but the good lady turned around and said, "Well, why don't you change the racking and make some boxes?" So once she was feeling okay, I came out and I started making some boxes. So back to the old Fizzog. Nothing exceptional, all they are straightforward boxes. Hello. With a sliding lid, and this one as yet I haven't put the partitions in. Just got a knob at the front so that I can move it about because they're pretty close knit on that small shelf. And the size of this one, lengthwise, it's about 300mm. The others I think are around about 200. The reason being is because these particular two, and I've only done two of them up to now, are going to have 3 sections in. Some of the others I've left full, some of them I've put a section already in halfway down. They're not finished, they've all got to be, what's the name, sanded up. You can't see, or can you see? Yeah, you might be able to see there like that, as I've got a bit of an edge here. Sorry about the pinky. I've got a bit of an edge here. But again, nothing fancy, and they are just nailed together with panel pins. And I tell you what, I'll tell you something now, I've enjoyed doing that. We all have all these, some would say fancy tools, and some would say many tools that we don't really require. But when I built these, I found these quite satisfying, because what I was doing is knocking in a nail with a hammer, and it was so, rather than just pulling the trigger and something firing it in, it was just a different feeling altogether. So, what am I up to now at this moment in time? Well, I'm still learning the new router. I haven't quite got my head around everything on that one yet. The next thing is I've got on the go at the moment, which I'm going to cut the wood for today. I'm just moving around a little bit. Is if I bring that down, that area, this area here underneath, used to have a drawer in, and it was slid up and down on those. Now, it wasn't very good. It was done as a temporary job, and it's been a temporary job for quite a number of years. Because I've been retired now for about 6 years, so that gives you an idea. So what I did do is I've got hold of some slides, which are still in the packaging. I haven't taken them out of the package yet. But those are going to end up being for the drawer down there. I bought 2 sets. I bought 1 set for this and 1 set for the table that the router fits on for a drawer on there. But what I plan to do with this one, the same as what I've done with the drawer on this table. Can you see? No, you can't see it, can you? What a wally. Right. Okay, there you can. Right, and as you can see, it's just a normal drawer on sliders, but it's got an internal little, what's it, for odds and sods. This is my little work table that I have in front of me. Bring you back down again onto there. Sorry about that. Big thumb holding the camera. And that's what I plan to do with that one down there. Is I plan to have 1 drawer inside another one. It's no good me showing it yet because I've got to cut all the wood, and you don't want to see me cutting wood. There's enough videos with that knocking about. What I will do is I'll show you like on the assembly when I've got everything cut and measured and all that sort of business. I've only got it partially worked out inside my head, but roughly it's going to be about 200mm deep, 450mm in depth, and it's 500 and some odd mil, I think, wide. The plan is that the front and the back will be pocket hole to the sides. On the inside of the actual drawer will be a not a rebate, where I shall put in it's over there at the moment. I shall put in a internal strip on the inside, just so as the internal drawer can rub up and down on. And what that drawer is going to be carrying, it's going to be carrying all my drill bits and everything for my stand drill and stuff like that. At the moment, what I'm doing is I'm trying to bring the workshop up to some sort of modern era. I've been watching a lot of other people doing it, so I thought to myself, it's about time that I started doing something like that, so there you go. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers that I've had, and as I say, I can only apologise for not putting anything up. I've been somewhat rather busy, obviously, with my personal things, but it is the way of the world. Bear with me. As soon as I've got something more decent to put up, I will do, you know. I do my best, but falling by the wayside and failing. So, thank you very much. You are important to me. And if you do enjoy my videos, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. A lot of people think when you subscribe to these channels, it costs money. It doesn't. It's free. It costs nothing. So with that, I'm going to get on with doing some cutting. I'll leave you to your day. Hope you've had a superb bank holiday. And we'll catch you in the next video. This is Barney's Workshop saying bye-bye. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.